Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You want immediate control, so begin with clean, slightly damp hair. This improves spread and hold. Take 1 to 2 pea-sized amounts of wild stone edge, depending on thickness. Rub the gel between your palms until it feels evenly warm. This thins the product and prevents clumps. Then, using fingers or a comb, apply from roots to mid-lengths. Focus on the areas that need definition. Once done, use a comb or fingertips to shape the initial silhouette. This sets the base for the next steps. Now you sculpt. Add additional small amounts, think half of what you used initially, so you can build hold without crunchiness. Use a fine-tooth comb to create sharp lines and a wide tooth or your fingers to produce textured separation. This matters because combs compress fibers while fingers preserve irregularity. If you need stronger hold, blow dry on a low heat while shaping. Otherwise, let hair air dry for a softer finish. Make sure to blend at the roots, so the product looks even and natural as it sets. Finish by refining edges and locking the style with a light final touch. Use very small amounts to avoid an oily shine. Once set, check for any stiffness or visible residue. If you spot flakes, that usually means too much was applied in one spot. To fix, gently rake your fingers or a comb through hair after a tiny mist of water to soften product. If hair becomes limp, add a dab at the roots and restyle. One troubleshooting tip: when it flakes, redistribute or lightly rehydrate rather than piling on more gel.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.